Hi, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon. In SEO, many teams focus heavily on rankings and traffic. Higher rankings often lead to more visitors, which is usually seen as a sign of success. However, in many cases, websites attract large amounts of organic traffic but still struggle to generate leads, signups, or sales. This happens because traffic alone does not guarantee conversions. I am sure this is a fact that's painfully clear to a lot of SEOs. The real goal of SEO is not just to bring visitors to a website, but bring in the right visitors, people who are actually interested in what the business offers. In this lesson, we'll explore why SEO traffic sometimes fails to convert and what strategies can help fix the problem. One of the most common issues is confusing traffic with qualified traffic. A website might rank for a popular keyword and attract thousands of visitors each month. But if those visitors are simply researching a topic or looking for free information, they may have no intention of becoming customers. Qualified traffic, on the other hand, comes from users who are actively looking for a solution or evaluating options. These users are much more likely to convert. Understanding the difference is essential when evaluating SEO performance. Another major reason SEO traffic fails to convert is misaligned search intent. Search intent refers to the goal behind the user's query. For example, someone searching for how to improve website speed is looking for educational content, but someone searching for website speed optimization services may be ready to hire a provider. If the page that ranks does not match the user's intent, visitors may quickly leave the site. Even though the page attracts traffic, it does not satisfy what the user was actually looking for. This disconnect often leads to low engagement and low conversion rates. Sometimes the issue starts during keyword research. Websites may target keywords simply because they have high search volume, but high search volume keywords are not always valuable for business goals. For example, a company might rank for a broad topic that attracts a large audience, but most visitors may have no interest in the company's actual product or service. This leads to a situation where traffic increases but conversions remain low. Effective SEO requires identifying keywords that attract users who are likely to become customers, not just users who are curious about a topic. Even when the right visitors arrive on the website, conversions can still suffer if the landing page is not effective. For example, the page might not clearly explain the benefits of the product or service. Visitors may struggle to understand what the company offers and why it's better than competitors. In other cases, pages lack trust signals such as testimonials, case studies, or credentials. Calls to action may also be unclear or difficult to find. When landing pages fail to guide users towards the next step, valuable traffic can be lost. Another helpful way to understand this issue is by looking at the customer journey. People typically move through several stages before making a purchase. First, they become aware of a problem. Then they research possible solutions. Next, they compare different providers or products. Finally, they make a decision. Different types of SEO content works best at different stages of this journey. If a website only targets research queries, it may attract many visitors but few conversions. Balancing content across the entire journey helps capture users who are closer to making a decision. Improving SEO conversion rates requires a combination of adjustments. First, revisit keyword targeting to ensure that the website attracts users who are likely to be interested in a product or service. Next, make sure each page clearly matches the intent behind the search query. If the query suggests a comparison or decision stage, the page should provide information users need to evaluate options. Finally, improve the landing page experience. Clear messaging, strong calls to action, and trust signals can significantly increase the likelihood that visitors will take the next step. To summarize, high rankings and traffic do not automatically lead to business results. The most important goal of SEO is attracting qualified visitors who are interested in what the business offers. When keyword targeting, search intent, and landing page experience are aligned, SEO becomes far more valuable. by focusing not just on traffic, but the right traffic can turn search visibility into real conversions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it valuable, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. And once again, I remain Ismail from Pelemon. Goodbye.